Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Dragon Life in Roblox. Start by customizing your avatar, then select and hatch an egg to get your first dragon immediately. Feed, train, and complete tutorial quests to earn coins and basic items quickly. Prioritize evolving your dragon and upgrading its habitat to boost stats and happiness, and join social groups to learn tips, trade, and find rare eggs. Begin by inspecting egg rarity and elemental types to match your strategy, then hatch using resources from quests or shops. Place the new dragon in a suitable habitat and schedule regular feedings, plus training sessions to raise stats and unlock moves. Focus on a balanced routine of quests and practice fights to gain experience, and use boosts wisely to speed progress while conserving coins and special items for rare. Follow the main questline to unlock new areas and important map features, then explore each region to locate resource nodes and rare spawns for special eggs and items. Participate in timed events and daily challenges to gather bonus coins and exclusive rewards faster. Use the trading system to swap duplicates or surplus items with other players to fill collections and earn currency. And always check maps for hidden chests and event locations for extra perks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.